Alright, now before we get started, there's a few things that we need to set up. First things first, let's install Texture Pabrika. To do that, let's go to Edit, Preferences, and click Add-ons, and click the Install button. Now navigate to the location of texturepabrika.py and hit Install Add. Now remember to enable by checking the box, and we can check if Texture Pabrika is running by clicking on our 3D viewport and pressing N on our keyboard. There should be a Texture Pabrika tab over here. Alright, now we are going to enable Node Wrangler. Texture Pabrika works without Node Wrangler, but it's a really useful add-on, especially since we're working with nodes, and we can save ourselves a lot of trouble by making use of this great add-on that comes pre-packed with Blender. After that, we are going to enable automatic packing. To do that, go to File, External Data, Automatically Pack Resources. We are going to be working with several image textures, so we want Blender to pack any changes we make to our textures and not have to worry about saving each time we make a small change. Now we're also going to set our render engine to Eevee. Now to do that, let's go to Render Settings and set our render engine to Eevee. Alright, now finally, we are going to save our project. The location of any output file generated by Texture Pabrika is going to be relative to the location of your blend file, so it's a good practice to save your project even if you haven't started working on anything yet. Now that we're done preparing Blender, let's get our objects ready for our Map Maker utility.